In a world where digital content is king, I brought a strategy for you which unlocks a simple yet effective way to turn your leisure time into a source of income. Whether you're a student looking to support your daily expenses, a stay-at-home parent seeking extra cash, or simply someone who enjoys online videos, this method offers a genuine and accessible pathway to financial rewards. By following the steps outlined in this guide and exploring bonus tips, you can harness the power of trending YouTube videos and gaming communities to boost your earnings. Step 1. Start by visiting youtube.com, where you'll find a variety of videos. You can earn free PayPal money in 2024 by simply watching these YouTube videos. Click on any video you like, and when the video opens, make sure to watch at least 30 seconds of it. This way, you'll earn $5 for each YouTube video you watch. These are real payment proofs from people all over the world who've earned money by watching videos. Here's how much free PayPal money you can earn with this method. If you watch just one YouTube video, you can earn $5. Watch 10 videos, and you can earn $50. And if you watch 30 videos in a day, you can earn up to $150. The great thing is that you can repeat this as much as you want and keep making money. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer to get started. First, click on the Sign In button located in the top right corner. This will take you to a new page. If you don't already have a YouTube account, you can create one by clicking on Create Account and selecting For Myself on the following page. Here, you can easily set up a free Google account and sign up for YouTube. Once you're logged into your YouTube account, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side where you can explore the best of YouTube across different categories such as music, sports, gaming, movies, news, and more. Click on the Gaming category to access gaming-related content. In the Gaming section, you'll find millions of people watching gaming videos on YouTube, often unaware that they could be earning free PayPal money. Today, I'll reveal a secret strategy that few people talk about, which can help you make free PayPal money in 2024 in just a matter of minutes. This strategy is the key to how individuals repeatedly earn $5 for each video they watch. Best of all, it's entirely free and completely legitimate for making free PayPal money in 2024. Now, here's a bonus tip. Focus on a specific video category like Minecraft, which is one of the most popular games trending right now. Clicking on Minecraft will take you to a page filled with Minecraft gameplay videos, some of which may be live streams. To get started, click on any of the live videos. This will take you to the next page where the live stream is running. To turn these YouTube videos into real money, you'll need to use a second website that can help you earn free PayPal money. The website allows you to shorten URL links and earn free PayPal money with them. Don't worry, I'll make it really simple for you, and it's easier than you might think. Very few people are talking about this strategy right now, but you can make a lot of free PayPal money in 2024 if you follow along. The name of this site is 7r6com. Here's how it works. Sign up for a free account, and then you can start shortening the URL links of different YouTube videos. I'll show you how to do it in just a minute. For every video you shorten, you can make free PayPal money. Let's take an example to understand how it works. When you're watching YouTube videos, look for the Share button under the video. Click on it to find the YouTube URL link for that specific gaming video. Click on the Copy button to copy the link. Then go back to the 7r6com website and paste the link into the provided box. As you can see, I just pasted the link of that YouTube video into this box. Now, click on the small button. This website will automatically shorten the long YouTube link into a brand new, unique link. Whenever people click on this unique link, you'll get paid. That's how all these individuals are making significant money using this website. Once you've earned money on the platform, you have the flexibility to cash out your earnings through various payment options, including PayPal, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Perfect Money, and Payeer. With these diverse payment choices, you can select the one that suits you best. To get started, return to the home page and locate the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the site. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where you can register for a new membership. It's important to note that this registration process is completely free and open to people worldwide. During the registration, you'll be asked to provide a username, your email address, create a secure password, and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy by checking the respective box. Once you've completed these steps, click on the Register button to create your account. After successfully signing up and logging in, your dashboard will look something like what you see on the screen. On this page, click on the New Shortened Link button located at the top left corner. This is where you can copy and paste the URL links of your YouTube videos to shorten them and start earning free PayPal money. Here's what you need to do next. Go back to your YouTube video, click on the Share button, and copy the video's URL link. Then, return to your dashboard and paste the link into the designated box. In the alias field, type in the title of the video, in this case Minecraft, and simply click on the Shorten button. Voila! You now have your shortened Minecraft link ready to share. For the third step, head back to YouTube and repeat this same process for up to 3 different videos. The more YouTube video URL links you copy and shorten, the more free PayPal money you can earn. It's a straightforward way to maximize your earnings on this platform. Here's the next bonus tip to help you make a significant amount of free PayPal money. For this tip, focus exclusively on a specific category: live streaming videos. Live streams can be particularly lucrative, so let's continue with the process. Start by clicking on a live streaming video of your choice. This will redirect you to another live stream. Now, let's repeat the same strategy. Click on the Share button under the video, and then click Copy to copy the video's URL. Next, return to your URL shortening page and paste the second URL link you've just copied into the provided box. For the alias field, let's name it Minecraft 2 inches to distinguish it from the first link. Finally, click on the Shorten button, and just like that, you've successfully shortened your second link. Remember, the key to making substantial money online using this strategy is to keep repeating it. Find different trending YouTube videos, copy their links, and shorten them with the help of 7R6.com. This repetition is the path to increasing your earnings. Moving on to the fourth step, we're going to leverage the gaming community on the site steamcommunity.com. This platform is dedicated to discussions and strategies for various games, and it presents a great opportunity, especially for trending games like Minecraft. When you visit steamcommunity.com, you'll find numerous discussions taking place, with Minecraft being one of the hot topics. This game is currently trending and receives millions of views every day. It's your chance to capitalize on this trend with the assistance of 7R6.com and earn a substantial amount of free PayPal money from YouTube videos. Here's what you can do. Sign up for a free account on Steam Community and create a post about Minecraft or any other trending game. In your post, share the shortened link from 7R6.com that you created earlier. When you do this, your post will attract a lot of attention, and you'll receive clicks from interested users. They'll view your link, click on it, and watch the YouTube video you shared. For every single click, you'll earn free PayPal money. With just one video and effective promotion on Steam Community, you could potentially make hundreds and even thousands of dollars. This strategy allows you to tap into the gaming community's interest and convert it into earnings. For those of you who have stayed with us, I have a special bonus that can help you earn triple the money compared to others. This is a secret website I've never shared before, but I'm going to reveal it now. It's called Moot.us. This platform serves as a forum where people discuss games like Minecraft, sharing various photos and videos related to gaming. These game-related videos, especially those showcasing Minecraft gameplay, receive hundreds and thousands of views. As a special reward for watching this video until the end, I want to share an exclusive done-for-you template that you can use to increase your earnings significantly. You can simply copy this template and share it on platforms like Steam Community or Moot.us. By doing so, you'll attract more clicks to your shortened links, resulting in more earnings. Here's an example of how to use the template. Have you guys checked out this amazing Minecraft gameplay video? It's mind-blowing. You can watch the live streaming video right here. Then, insert your shortened link from 7R6.com. To get your shortened link, return to your 7R6 dashboard, copy the link, and paste it into the template. Now all you need to do is copy the entire template and post it on these 2 websites. You won't need to put in a lot of effort because gaming-related videos in this category are currently trending and highly popular. This strategy is precisely how many people are making a significant amount of free PayPal money in 2024 for every single video they watch. The opportunity to make money. Watching videos and earn free PayPal money in 2024 is a real and accessible way to boost your income. By following the simple steps outlined in this method, you can turn your spare time into a profitable venture. Whether you focus on trending YouTube videos, leverage gaming communities, or use the exclusive bonus tips provided, this strategy offers a legitimate and straightforward path to financial gain. Don't forget to like and subscribe to WealthWalk to gain invaluable insight into your way to make money online. Thanks for watching and see you at the next one.